Sorry, just a second, not this. Just the camera off. There's something in my tooth. Okay, back. Good. So, yeah. Is my audio, I think it's too loud. Let's just make it lower. Yeah, like this, probably. Maybe a bit higher. Yeah, I think I have just like plenty of gain on my mic. So I probably should. Ooh, 18 plus 18 dB. That's a lot. So yeah, I think that's probably plenty. Yeah, I think that's good. That's good. It's getting to, so it shouldn't clip the audio. I think we might have a buddy called ProGamer who will join us. Yes, will you join us or not? He has some problems with audio, but he has some good ideas. So let's see how it goes. Okay, I'll see if I can find anyone's. Cool. We will go. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So I will be doing that. Let's just send a link to share that lovely thing. Can I share it on where do I like here? Let's share it here just in case. Is it like live wherever? I think that's a good one. And one more. Let's just do a post. I didn't do post for a while. Oh, actually, I did one today. Post. No, YouTube. Yeah, add a post. Create. Oh, she was hot. Okay, whatever. Create a post. And what was the post? Join live stream. Let's sell some. Let's get some customers. Yeah. Video. Live stream, go. Okay. Post. So what is he saying? What is Pro Gamer saying? How old are you, Pro? Pro kid. Live. Yeah, I'm live, obviously. Like and you are live. Good. When you figure out your sound, we can actually get you here. You'll show your CAPTCHA ID. I don't know what you are even talking about, so that might be interesting, or it might be way above my skill. So, that's okay. We can. Is this working? Do we need music today? Any? Yeah, okay, works. Good. I sometimes just to be sure, it shows here, everything on the screen shows correctly. I just always have to check, like I have a live stream sometimes on my phone. I mean, most of the time. So I'm just kind of checking if it's there. If I can hear myself. Yeah, it seems fine. So yeah, good. Pro is here. I'm here. Let's just play some music for now if we have anything to talk about. Oh, look at this beauty. When I was a kid, we had actually this car. Fiat 106.26p. Top speed, what? Top speed was 105 or something. Ooh, open AI customer's device is guaranteed to fail. Is it? Let's see. Well, we'll see. Doesn't matter to me. It's just another company. I don't care whether OpenAI will last or it will die, or its tools will last or die, whatever. Let's not get to this. I think I should be producing more shorts. I think that's a one thing that YouTube wants me to do much more, and I feel like sometimes they are actually, although they are much more work. But yeah. So, Pro, are you ready? Are you? No. That's fine. Okay, I will actually work on my stuff, and I will play some music as well. So we have that. And let's start. Let's start. He bought the cheapest Rolls Royce to. Yeah, look at this. He bought this car, but don't watch this guy. Watch me. And I want to play... Whoops, too much. Sorry, let's have 5% of those ladies. Or 3%. Somewhere in the background. I always play the same music. I was sick of it a couple of days ago and now I'm fine. Now I'm back to loving it. So I think that might be actually up and down for me. I was at the dentist earlier and he didn't do anything. Just charged me a lot. I mean, he did lots of images of my teeth and unfortunately I will have to extract one tooth. Whatever. Teeth are not forever, they say. I have a one implant already, so I'll have another one. But that doesn't matter too much as well. I think we can... This is like... It's not forever. This stuff is not forever. Well, more people watch shorts as YouTube short made people lose attention span. So people don't watch big videos now, sadly. I think they watch the big videos. Like, you know, there's lots of Joe Rogan episodes that are actually out there and they seem to be popular. There's a bunch of live streams that I watch about films. There's this guy Nerdrodic in US and like they have really long ones, you know. There is in the UK there is a Critical Drinker. He has this thing called, I don't know, after hours or something, or like drinks or something, or whatever. And he has really long ones as well, and I can watch that. And I think people seem to be watching that. So I feel like, you know, the thing is like with, I do sometimes get like, you know, I watch them, you know, for a moment. And I try to hide them from my view, you know, so that's the one thing. But for example, like sometimes I go to TikTok to check, because I throw sometimes some stuff on TikTok. And like they show this stupid stuff, you know, like I don't really find it interesting, so whatever. This is like AI now, like everything is AI. I'm sure they're doing this AI. So let's see, my channel is probably 889 268 0 45. It's just so crazy. This TikTok thing, no one likes me here. Or like, you know, I get some likes, but not that many. But TikTok is lame, so let's not go there. But yeah, like if you actually watch, like half of it is just like... like half of it is AI now. So it's not fun to me. I think it's just stupid. And rest of it is lame. Okay, whatever. Like... some Lamborghini, Top Gear. Yeah, whatever. What did I actually even want to do today? I don't know. Like I was planning to do some covered with AI slope mostly now. Yes, I think it is. Like, you know, you get like lots of AI slope on I think that the TikTok is the worst for that. I think YouTube is trying to sort of not to do that too much. But TikTok is awful. So like on YouTube, I don't know, it's probably my algorithms. I get lots of people, lots of football, some stuff about YouTube channels. Oh, that Portofino, where the hell is this? What a beautiful place. I want to go there. Yeah, okay, some guy, Peter Dinklage. This is lame. Try this audio to get subscribers, and like I get lots of viewers. Lots of videos recommending that if you try this song, your shorts will get lots of views and lots of subscribers and lots of wherever. Let's see what this guy is doing. I think he will... That's cool. Although the song is everywhere now. Okay, let's just... So this is it? That's it? Okay, so it's second try. Good. That's better, is it? And no, that's 1 and 2. What's here? This is beautiful, like Italian city or something. Or Malaga, I've been to Malaga actually. They have a biggest airport out there, but I was there at night, so unfortunately I didn't see much. I was on their airport, and then I rented a car and drove to Alicante. So yeah, okay, wherever. And I want to actually, maybe I should wait for more people, but I would like to actually apologize to someone. And this person is Cristiano Ronaldo, because I actually said earlier that Messi is a GOAT. And as much as like in terms of football, I think he's the best player that was ever there, that ever played. But Cristiano Ronaldo is the guy who told everyone to drink water, and Messi would advertise just on you know, to drink Coke or like Pepsi. So I'm like, you know, this actually makes you goat, you know, that you recommend people healthy things if you're a freaking footballer. So yeah, I changed my mind about goat in football goat. So I think that's something that I would like to be on record, that it's actually Cristiano Ronaldo who is the goat. Just to be sure, yeah. I hope you actually agree. I love when, you know, Cristiano Ronaldo said, "Agua, drink agua," and you know, and everyone was talking about it, which was good during the World Cup. Yeah. Oh, we get some new people, don't we? Good. How are you guys? Should we make a poll? I think earlier was pretty successful, although I forgot to make a screenshot, so I'll have to find the previous video and just throw it in there. I should actually post something lame today, like something, maybe not lame. I think I'm using this word too much. What sort of post? What sort of poll should I do? Any ideas, guys? Do you want to know, my viewers? Like, if my viewers want to... How was the vibe today? Silly. No, let's just have something more. Yeah, so let's just... I have a list here on my like chat GPT. Oh, you know, based on my like what I'm asked, because like something like I have this long thread where I'm asking about like video titles and some stuff. So my AI has a context of what I'm actually building and like what sort of things I'm actually posting. So how is the vibe today? It's shit. Be honest. Are you actually coding right now? Okay. Yeah, okay, let's try that. Let's see if people are actually engaged in my stuff or just in other stuff. Yeah, that's very focused, kind of. So 1 option, 2 option. Oh, more people. Good, guys. Nice to see you. Just watching. Yeah, okay. Good, 5 people. It's growing. Great. I think usually I have like first hour or hour and a half where it's like everyone comes and they bring their grandmothers and like parents, you know, wherever. Everyone is just coming then. And I think like this is when I'm competing with Asmongold. But then the other time I'm just like, you know, it's going down to like 3 or 4 people, which is still a lot. Like for me, I must say, for the fact that I'm just like, mostly I'm just showing how I'm vibe coding something, or like maybe in the best scenario, I'm actually even editing something in the editor, then it's actually surprising that so many people want to watch that stuff. Yeah, let's see actually, where did I leave that page earlier? Where was I? So actually it looks very bad on white screen, so I should actually, hero context should be in the container. Hero content should have a container. Otherwise the text goes too far to the left on large screens. Yeah, try that, my friend. My lovely GPT 4.1, because I ran out of credit. Although, like, I prefer Raptor or stuff. If I'm talking about the free ones, and if I'm talking about the expensive ones, like, you know, that use a lot of credit, I think I like Claude Sonnet 4.6, and I tried Opus. It just ate all of the credit very quickly. So I don't know. I don't enjoy that, and I don't think of it as such a beast, you know. Oh, there was a guy today trying to sell me some 4,000 hours of watch time. because then I will monetize my my YouTube channel, but it sounded a bit scammy, to be honest. Okay, so this is the page, and I think I will get there myself. And this is my my poll. People are kinda coding so far. One person. So as you can see that I'm very focused. Cloud Sonnet is good too, probably. Yeah, I think they're good. I'm not, the thing is like, I'm not that, like, I don't think there's, like, some of them are like super great, or some of them, like, I don't know, like, for example, like the Claude Opus is like 10 times better than Grok, for example. I think it's better a bit, Maybe if you just like, if it's for free, if you have it for free, and or you don't worry about the credits, then you can just use any. You're gonna use the most expensive one because it sounds like it's the best. But like if you are like me, that you have to balance that and be careful with not to burn all the credits straight away, you're gonna probably use like partly Grok or partly Claude Sonnet. Yes, Claude Sonnet, maybe Gemini Man, like a horrible movie with Will Smith. 6 people, good. Make sure to subscribe, guys. I really love subscribers. I think they're the salt of the earth, as they say. I think those people are I'm proud of them, to be honest. I think I'm proud of people that subscribe to my channel, because I think that like my idea is that they will probably live longer. Like most of them will live about like five extra years. Because like obviously because of the advice I'm giving, all the stuff that I'm saying will just keep you alive for more time. So obviously like the time here is just gaining, you're getting more time on the earth. Right? Thanks for the live stream. I have some spells obviously that will actually get you live longer. Oh, let's see the hero section. Hero. In Polish, in Poland we would read it hero. But in English, it's hero. Hello, my friend, Alex. Oh, good to see you again. I haven't seen you for like at least a couple of days. And, a couple of days I wasn't streaming myself, so I'm not surprised that you couldn't get to me. But like, luckily, yes, I'm coding right now. So you're like one of the 3 people, one of the 2 people who are coding now. Yeah, I am. Am I coding? I should say just kinda. That would be my answer to that question. I'm kind of coding. I'm kind of just talking about some crap. I think like as I said, I changed my mind on who is the GOAT in football, from Messi to Cristiano Ronaldo, despite having less golden balls and no World Cup, which obviously normally I would say Messi, but he recommended people to drink water instead of Pepsi, and I think that's good. That's what GOATs should do. And also, like another GOAT in tennis. Who is the GOAT in tennis, please? That's obvious. Like everyone knows that it's who? Who is the GOAT in tennis? Yeah, I'm good. I feel like for some reason, like I got like big bump in people coming to my live streams. Maybe because I stopped dual streaming, and maybe I was getting penalized for that from Google or something, or maybe my internet couldn't handle them both. So that's on this side, So on the personal side, I'm good as well. I think I was saying earlier that I would have to have a tooth extracted. Probably not that fun as vibe coding, but yeah. So who is the GOAT in tennis, guys? There's only one answer, obviously. Everyone knows that. So some would say Federer, because he won the most tournaments. I think he won like more than 100. But it's obviously Djokovic. Djokovic is the GOAT. Not because of the 25 or however many he has the Grand Slam wins, but because during the COVID, he said, fuck it. I'm not gonna... I can risk everything. I don't mind. And that's actually what GOATs should do. Yeah, I think that would be better. I agree, Alex, to be if I had fixed hours of streaming, that would be way better. But the thing is, like, I can't really organize that. You know, I have kids and whatever other projects, and I'm very mildly organized. So like usually in the morning I try to start around 10-ish of Polish time, so it's like a Central European time or wherever it is in your time. And then like then sometimes I have time to go in the evening, and that's today. And yesterday I think I had this, you know, it was the same. That's not very polite. So I'm trying to, and maybe I should actually set an hour, but so far it was really not very. I was not very good at that, and I don't know if I would get good at this long term. So let's not try. Oh, this is a cool car as well. So I was showing you Polish Fiat, but like everyone was dreaming about Polones, this car, when I was a kid. Look at this shape, you know. It was designed by some Italian like guru of car design. Look at, like, someone did it in Sundance, wherever. But this was the greatest car everyone was dreaming about. We had this small Polish Fiat, or it was Italian Fiat, but like it was called Polish Fiat, and like all my family would go into it, and then we would drive through half of Poland. But this was a dream of everyone in like early 90s and stuff. When I was small, you know, when I was like 6 or 7, everyone was dreaming about this car. Obviously, everyone would like to have a Mercedes or like a Audi, but this was like a realistic dream. You could actually get that one, and not like, you know, because with Audi or Mercedes, it was harder, obviously. And what are they showing here? A robot. Ooh. So yeah, is this gonna turn into like a transformer? So this is the Sedans, the Chinese model. Oh, and this is I think it's Serena. So it's actually something my uncle had that when I was like 4 or something. He had this car. Whoa. Yeah, that's Serena, and this is Maluch. So this is the Fiat I was talking about. It was a tiny car where all my family would actually be squeezed, and we would drive all you know, to the south of Poland, from the center of Poland. So this looks a bit different, actually. No, this is not Fiat. Actually, this is like Fiat Panda or something. Okay, this is Wally. Good. And it's a big Fiat. It was called Fiat 125P. And that's, I don't know what's this actually. Whatever. Okay, so this is turning into like a Ferrari. Wherever. Ooh, no, it's a different car. Yeah, so you can do sedans to 2.0. Seems to be a good model for AI. Okay, what's the question? Hey, do you remember me? Pankajabanda. I don't really. Do I remember you? Let me just see what we talked about. Okay, let me just see your channel. I never actually went to your channel. Do if you can. 1 million views on if get me 1 million views. Okay, so if you get 1 million views, so I don't remember that, to be honest with you. Pankaj Jabana. And so, do I remember you? Let's see our history, channel activity. So we talked. It's anti-gravity. Oh yeah, you told me to check out the anti-gravity stuff. What you're selling. What do you mean? Okay, can you design any product? Just tell. Do you need a designer? Oh, you were talking that. Oh, you were saying that you can be a designer. Oh, that's a useful skill. I could use a designer. Sorry, I forgot. But now I remember. If you want to do like projects together, I'm trying to like set up like what's the name? Discord group. Discord, and in the right corner next to my head, there is a Discord channel link that you can join. Is it Discord? Yeah, here. This is the Discord channel. I'm like for now there's very little going on there. I think we'll actually you know, do a bit more. But I think I will be actually looking for some projects, and like I have this page, Pixels and Logic, that I'm sort of making prettier and prettier today. and I will start advertising on it and try to get like real customers. And then I will actually need lots of, I hope I will need some people, because my plan is to sell like a MVP and, you know, more professional MVP or whatever, custom stuff. Maybe I will do some more products like websites and stuff. But so maybe I should make a couple of tabs here. But I want to actually get like customers and then create some products. But also, like, in the other hand, make sure to subscribe, by the way. Also, in the other hand, I want to start like throwing some ideas here. So, you know, if you have some ideas what we can build, I can try to get like a team with, you know, you would be a designer, some other programmers, you know, and I have a PM that she could work with us, and then like we will try to build it, release it, and maybe sell it, you know, maybe we will just, and then we will share somehow. I don't know, depending like how many hours everyone will spend, we will actually divide it. Like I hope you know, evenly, you know, or wherever. Or if, you know, if someone spends lots of hours and I will spend couple, I will probably, you know, just ask for very little. But like I would like to actually build those things, you know. It would be actually much cooler to start building. So I want to actually build this group here, where we can talk about some projects and try to get, you know, what you can build. We can talk on live streams as well, you know. I can invite you here. You can show me what you can, and then I hope we will build them. Yeah, and maybe like at some point we'll get some money out of it, which would be even better. But even like building cool stuff is also pretty good. So yeah, come here, join us, and we'll try to figure something out. If you want to do design, it's very useful. So let's. I want to like. I have this design here. I really like it. So it kind of pretends that this is what we are building. Although this I want to. I actually asked it to move this section, and it just made it. It just shrank it. Or maybe. Let me just see it on big screen. Now on the larger screen it goes way to the left. I want it to be constrained by container. Doesn't seem to be. To do that, I think that this section has some other settings that push it all the way to the left of my screen. Hello guys, welcome. Subscribe if you didn't so far. Join the Discord. That's something actually like I'm talking about a lot now, where we're gonna try to get some projects running, you know, like, you know, if you're interested to join some collaboration, and maybe in one moment we will get some real projects, which I'm actually trying with this website, and I will actually try to get some projects outside of that as well, you know. So that this website is for like real, like normal corporate clients. If someone needs a MVP or website or something, I will do it through that. Oh, now it's too far, you son of a bitch. Oh no, why are you doing this to me? Come on, why don't you just show it in 2 columns? Yeah, can you show? No, no, now it's in the middle of the screen. Try again, please. Yeah, I'm not like I'm vibe coding now. Yeah, just whatever, just do it again. Keep on trying. I have free, you know, it's 0 credits, so I don't have to worry too much about it. But like, keep on trying AI. Like, I think that's often what I'm doing. Just like keep on just. The model you are using is too old. No, it's not too old. It's just silly. I can do Raptor is new. I run out of credits, so I have to do the cheap ones. So, you know, I'm forced to do that. Let's try Raptor maybe next time. Hero section content is now aligned to the left. Is it? Yeah, I think, but now it's not to the top. Yeah, let's see. Let's see now. Okay, but now it's actually moved it up. So I think I would like to. I would like to center it vertically. Yeah. can you center it vertically though? Okay, you can use Open Router and use Minimax 2.5, which is really cheap and really good, and it's worth it. Maybe, or I can wait 2 more days and we'll get some more credit again. Yeah, thanks, Alex. But yeah, I think I will just like, I'm very lazy in terms of like getting new tools. I mean, I'm kind of happy with this Copilot thing, and I will stick to it for a while, because I just don't want to be playing with tools too much. Like I was actually that before, you know, I used to do that a lot, where I would just like be jerking around, you know, oh, this is a new library, let's just do it now, this with this library, or like let's just rewrite so, you know, update this, and then I would just waste lots of time on that. So I try actually avoid changing tools, and I know it's kind of lazy, but yeah, you can put the server link in the chat box. Can you change? Oh, server link for what? For the Discord? Yeah, I'll do that. I'll drop the Discord here. Oh yeah, good to see you. Bravo. And you know, all of that, all of them. Where's the server? The Discord server here. Oh, okay, this is the one. I think there should be like an option to have a QR code or something. That would be useful. Didn't figure it out yet. Yeah, but like sometimes I don't know if Google is gonna do that. You know, is it? Let's just update one here as well, because I heard that this is the one I entered earlier was just for a couple of days. Is it the same? Yeah, it's the same. Good. Yeah, so we have one here as well. Like maybe let's just make it bigger. Did I make it over me? Or maybe actually this is a good place. Or maybe like below the subscribers count. So there will be subscribers. There will be this. What's here? Oh, there is. Oh yeah, this is from. Okay, let's just have this in the corner. Then subscribers. We can probably make those subscribers a bit low. It is a bit smaller even. I think we can crop that or something. Okay, whatever. I'm just playing too. Again, I'm playing with it. I was just complaining about like, yeah, I'm not playing with the tools, and like I play with OBS now. So yeah. Yeah, so let's get this agency site rolling. So I got the link, leave it. Good. Good. Okay, so it's there. So yeah, I like for now I still don't know what to do with the Discord yet. I'm gonna keep on just like for now. I'm just throwing my links to live streams, but that's just like a side thing. I will actually start looking into projects that I can run with people, and if you have some projects, keep on throwing them there. You know, maybe we can talk on the live stream if you are like brave enough to do that. And then, you know, if we get convinced that it's a great idea, we'll just like set up the team. I have a PM that she can probably run it for me. I can also help with running it, and you know, we can try to progress with that stuff. But also I will actually try to get like real customers that will just pay for websites and stuff. Yeah. And like I think on this page I should also put some pictures of me and whatever. So I put some business like that, things done, completed. Some technologies, some contact. Maybe I should put my picture here. And obviously, like I have to get myself like a professional, a bit more professional picture, because most of them are like from the mountains or like a marathon. Like the one on Discord was like I think it was after marathon, or maybe before marathon, and it was the worst marathon I've ever run, so it was awful. So this picture here, yeah, it's me I think it's before. After it, I looked like shit. Can I like? Yeah, whatever. I don't know what's najlepszy suchar. Okay, what's this? There's a shop here, wherever. I'm not gonna be buying stuff from Discord. I think it's a... Although, like, this is cool. Yes, no, soup, thanks. Cool stuff. Yeah, I think some guys came. Subscribe if you didn't so far. Vote in the poll, because so far just 4 people. Kinda coding, half of you. And yes, focused, very focused, half of you. So it's a lame survey, like lame poll. And the answers, they seem to be important. Are they? Maybe. Okay, let's just do... Well, what did I want to do even? Let's just... Oh yeah, this page. So, this is good, looks good. Let's see in the big... Ah, fuck. Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's just leave it. It just goes way to the left on the live screen. Okay, so if it's above like 1700, okay, so like now, if the screen is more than 1280, what the hell is that? Like, cool effect you got there. Where like on the site? Yeah, it's pretty cool actually. This is just like with HTML and CSS. It's AI, but it's cool. I could do that myself, but I could do everything myself, but I don't do that now anymore. It's you know, AI. So like this is like, yeah, we can build some apps and we can build some cool stuff for you. So yeah, that's kind of useful. Maybe I should do it like even further, you know. I could probably like make something sillier or like more crazy and stuff. But for now, I think it's pretty good. Although like this stuff should be probably still selling. Hi, I was working on speech to text AI integrated with your OS for easy translation and direction for Windows and Mac. And I stuck at the point where I don't know what to do. So like this is Mbadana. So that's something like worth actually talking about. Like, so there's no chance to actually release it, or like, is there too much costs on it? Like, what was the obstacle there for you? Where did you actually, like, where did you get stuck? Nine people, good. Subscribe here. Yeah, so where did you get stuck on? Although, like, when you are writing, like, when you are on the live stream, I think it's better to write in the live stream than here, maybe. I don't know, unless it's a topic for here, for Discord. Or maybe, I don't know, what's better? Who knows? Yeah, so, like, I think the question is what you got stuck on. Because that's, you know, if it's impossible to progress with that, you probably know better. If it's something that maybe it's trivial, like for example, like I've got, for me on the other project on a pattern market, which I sometimes show here. Please don't disconnect me. Yeah, I thought I got disconnected. On pattern market, it was my confidence, lack of confidence in myself that I can actually release it, and like I got like crippled almost by the fact that, you know, and I will release it, and what happens if no one uses it, you know. That kind of things. And I started a new job, I had a baby, so also that kind of stuff, but I could actually slowly get it out there, and I should have actually get it out there slowly. And so I just dropped it like 5 or 6 years ago. And then there was a pandemic, so like everyone would that would be a great time to actually, just before pandemic, if I got that up out there, I would probably be a millionaire now. I would believe that, yeah. I would believe that I would probably have a good sort of, or maybe I wouldn't have millions, but maybe I would have, lots of thousands of wherever currency, my currency. Yeah, because that was actually a good time. So, and also like it was my confidence that stopped me from doing it. So there was no technical problems. There was nothing that would actually like technically that would stop me. There were just like me not believing in myself. So is this your obstacle? Because I got that earlier. You also need to ask people to like your videos. You can set up a voting panel here on YouTube chat saying something like, did you like the video? Option 1, yes. Option 2, about to. Good one. Yeah, maybe I should do that. Maybe next, like you mean that this is like a polling. I can do a polling here, but like I have other poll. I like those polls. But yeah, did you? Okay, so let's do this. Like above the Discord or what? Or above the subscriber count? Yeah. Yeah, I like video, subscribe and stuff. I still. Okay, I wanna test whether my program will work on another system, but I don't know how to do it. That's a technical problem, which is something that you can overcome. You can get yourself a different machine. You can speak to a buddy who has that machine. There's a lot of things you could do with that. We'll be back in like 10 minutes. Yeah, that's fine. Be back whenever you feel like it. This is not school or a prison, You are here because you are enjoying that more than being in other places, which is nice. I really enjoy that. So thanks for that, guys. And thanks for the support. I think I'm getting quite a lot now. So yeah, like it seems. What was your name, my friend? What's your name actually? Is it here somewhere? Yeah, basically, like, it seems like a technical problem. So they're the easiest. Believe me, the marketing is hard, but this is actually easy. You just have to like find the machine with that. Oh yeah, but pankaj. I hope I read it correctly. Pankaj, can I say it? So yeah, as long as you. Yeah, I think that's something that you can try to. I don't know if you're in India. I don't know like what was the infrastructure in India, but here in Poland, I could probably even hop into the library and get like a computer there, and use a computer there. I could speak to somebody, like to my friend, or like I don't know, maybe someone here. Maybe someone here has a system that you need, and you can try to encourage them to help you with that. What system you need? Do you need Mac or something? Or, wherever. Mac OS? So yeah, the technical problems are the easiest. The worst, like the much worst is actually, I think the worst are when you don't feel comfortable enough in releasing your things. That's the worst problem, because then you're just gonna block yourself from doing that. The second worst, I think, is like marketing sales if you don't know it. At least that's hard for me at this moment, and I can't sell some of the stuff that I've already built. The third hardest is technical, or maybe that's even less hard. The technical is easy comparing to some other problems, like overcoming technical issue, overcoming lack of technology or lack of software, hardware. That's something doable. The harder is calling people, trying to get them to use your thing. Also, the harder thing is convincing yourself that it's actually worthy of someone's time, money, and attention. So I hope that's not your. Oh yeah, so it doesn't seem like your problem. So yeah, anyone can help. What was the name again? Pankaj. In Polish, in Poland we would read pankaj. I hope it's not really something rude in your language. Okay, yeah, back to my site, actually. I have some technical issues. I just want to improve some. Okay, beyond 15 or 14 x, can you constrain the text area in hero? What's the name of this area even? It's like, does it have a content? Hero container, okay. Yeah, let's see this one. Can you not all the way to the, but closer to but like some, yeah, good to see you again. Percentage of from the left. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be obvious for my AI, if it's gonna figure it out. That's not the easiest prompt to have. I think I'm getting like lots of people now staying. Like we've got, like this morning I had like plenty of people and they were just jumping in and out, you know, and now it's like there's 7 people for like last 20 minutes, which is nice, you know. It's the same cool bunch. I don't get like too many now people just jumping in and going away. Oh, that's good, finally. Yeah, that's good, that looks good, doesn't look stupid. Very pretty. This is a cool page. Yeah, let's go. Let's go what, Alex? How is Athens? How are Athens now? Here we've got like finally that the snow has melted. I was actually cycling today with my daughter, and yesterday and day before that I did some cycling, and I think I'm gonna go running as well tomorrow or something. So now we have a beautiful days here, very nice, very sweet and sunny. Now I was actually cycling back from the shop with my daughter, so she's 7, and she's like at some point she just stopped and started looking into the sky, and she's like, oh, look how many stars there is, and I didn't even notice that, but she actually like, she got really excited. Can you show me the North Star? Then, you know, so yeah, we had a look, and yeah, we just spent a couple of minutes just looking at this at the sky. Maybe my English is not that good. I was meant to hype things up about new people coming to the stream. Oh yeah, good. Yeah, let's go guys. Subscribe. But also the Discord. That's a nice place. Okay, back to work. So I feel like my hero section is okay, although I think that it should be darker. Let's try darker. Let's just detach this part. Not like this. Let's detach this part. I will just have it on the other screen for a moment. And I will just change this section to like a darker black. Oh, it's cool. Maybe if the logo was lighter. Like some sort of dark background would be actually pretty nice. What sort of dark colors I have in the project? That's a question. Primary dark. What's my primary dark? Colors. Blue, mustard, navy, blue. It doesn't look very blue. Maybe dark blue. Okay. Deep blue, it's called. The background. Maybe this one. Accent alt. So let's just try this one for the background. That's my hero background. That's like a hero background. Yeah, here it is. So let's see background here. And where does it says transparent? Transparent. No? To background? No? That's a hero background? Maybe it's somewhere here. Maybe hero section? It's so funny. Do you have to like ask AI now? Am I like such a bad, such a lame developer? Come on. I knew how to do that. Okay, let's go through the chat. Have you been able to build like a wait list for your products? No, I didn't do that actually. So like how I would do that wait list? People usually do distribution first, like setting up sites that showcase what their site is nowadays. They ship products. Then they ship products. Maybe, yeah. Okay, I will have to actually look into that. Let's just wait, right. Let me just write this down, like a wait list for your products. Yeah, maybe that's a, but like people usually do distribution first, just setting up sites that showcase what their site is nowadays, then ship product. I'm not shipping product. Sorry, this is GBB. I didn't really get that, to be honest. If you can elaborate a bit more. GBB. Actually, I'm used to writing in English, but when it comes to speaking, things get difficult sometimes. Yeah, it's obviously. We all make mistakes, and it's not always. Yeah, English is, you know, I also like had time, you know, a long time ago. Luckily, not anymore. But I still make mistakes. You know, I've been using this language for 10 years. Sorry, more like 20 years now. So like I left Poland and I was living in London for 10 years, and I've done, you know, I've studied there and then I worked there for another 5. And I still sometimes feel like, okay, am I saying it right even? Like, is this like sounding correct? Is this not an error? You know, didn't I just say something stupid? So I think that's gonna stay forever. And some English people, they speak rubbish as well, so, you know. Means that building the product landing page first, even when the product is not there. This gives you time. Yeah, but the thing is, like, I should probably do that with pattern market. I should start promoting my landing page. I think that's something I agree. With Planero, I already have a product, so I think I'm already promoting my sales page. You know, while rebuilding it a bit. This is like a sales page for the product is the code, obviously, that we are writing, and other stuff is ideas. So, for example, like the thing that I'm doing with my nephew about the video recording app for the phone, that might actually be useful to build a landing page for that. Although I think like yeah, maybe with this one not. So like I think I have one product where I should actually do what Chibibi did. The rest of the products either have their websites that are already, you know, promoting and trying to get people there, and maybe sometimes I'm really bad at this probably. And so other products have that, and some what else? Yeah, so I feel like I'm covered mostly, you know, in that scenario, except the pattern market. I think we actually have a design for that, so I should probably put some more time into it. I should have actually been working on that app as well. But other than that, it's what's this? And I don't know how to test. Okay, so let's just sorry that I will just jump to the. So yeah, thanks Alex for explaining that. Unless rat, I am ready to help you. Oh, see, like it's already there. You know, we have already some solution. Programmer might be able to help you. So you guys. Oh yeah, cool. Thanks for Programmer for supporting our buddy here. Maybe he will make his thing happen. And you know, if you are, when you are ready to talk about your app, invite me for live stream, okay? I'm actually, I think so yeah, like my co-host for my podcast, Hello World Problems, is kind of dropping. He doesn't feel comfortable with or maybe he's gonna do it more rarely or less often. And I'm thinking of shipping it for fun, like a cheap $5 per month maybe. Oh, okay. So Alex, you are building a desktop Tauri app. I don't know what that means, Tauri, for managing agents from different clients. It is optimized for running multiple agents in parallel. I have built custom modes and lots of custom features to top of that list. And yeah, I mean, I don't know what you're actually even saying, Alex, but seems like you have a... Yeah, you should actually just throw it on the page and try to sell it. See how it goes. You know, you can just connect like a Stripe and just, you know, give it like... Yeah, connect some sort of event, and then like you can come to my live stream. You know, you can talk about it, or you can just like set up your video and we can do collab or something. I don't know. Just talk about it and just release it and talk about it. I mean those CLI AI tools like Copilot. Yeah, just release it. Yeah, I can test it on the live stream or wherever. Make a video from, you know. Yeah, sounds like something interesting. I personally don't really touch myself. I'm not touching the AI products. I think like the problem with that is actually the AI credit is very expensive, and even in my products, I don't really have anything AI because also I'm not that convinced that AI is actually improving so much. I know it's a good selling thing, and maybe I didn't really learn enough about it, how to work with APIs and stuff, with AI APIs. There's a CLI2, you are using VS Code extension, but there is CLI2.
Patrz, mam swoje własne grupy.
A, no, spoko, fajnie. I będziesz robiła te?
Nie wiem, co będę robiła. Chcesz?
Dziękuję. Ale to ty nie będziesz robiła na dutach?
Brązoletkę dla ciebie.
Dobrze, dziękuję. Yeah, my daughter. She is lovely. So we had we cycled today to the shop, and we had some great time after. And she just came. I thought she went to sleep, and I kind of feel bad that I'm not doing daddy stuff. But so let's just do another 15 minutes. So the cost is major thing. The app I'm building can eat lots of credits, yeah, but I can spend much money as I want because my company gives me. Wow, that's great. Yeah. So if you can do that, but then like if you want to release it, your company be happy to do that? Unless they're gonna get the share or something. They're gonna ask for a share of that. I mean, it's not like the thing is, like, I'm not skeptical about AI apps and stuff. I think they're great, but I just don't, like, myself, I don't know how to sell that stuff. And I think, like, I'm much more comfortable with CRUD apps, that, you know, with database, all the good stuff, you know, where you just upload some data, like change some data, you know, just good old stuff, good old, you know, REST APIs and stuff. You can use your own accounts and consume your own credits. Okay. You'd have to show it to me, because it sounds actually quite interesting, you know? Yeah, it shows interest. It looks interesting. So I think, like, you should release it. Even, like, yeah, you should release it. Slap a price there, and we can talk on the podcast on how it works. Don't worry about your English. Like, you know, you heard my, yeah, my English is not perfect anyway. No one's is. And, you know, people that you listen to online, and they have good accents, they probably, some of them are very self-conscious as well. So yeah, I'm happy to talk to you if you are ready for that. Okay, I sent. And we have us hero sections background. Yeah, I think it's, yeah, the thing is, like, but still, like, I sometimes make mistakes. Anyway, that doesn't matter. As I'm saying, like, don't worry, like, I stick. The thing is, like, it's just in your head. Like, if you can just, if you can, you will make mistakes, and that's fine. Yeah, so if you are ready, don't worry. Like, if you are ready. Okay, this is not really the nicest color. I think I don't like that color. Let's just go a bit lighter. No, this is about primary. What about... Is this navy? It looks like gray. This is yellow. This is not yellow. I think all those colors are just like messed up. I don't know how I called them. How did I do this theme? Okay, I think I have some problems receiving not enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Such viewers will experience buffering. Yeah, sorry guys for buffering. I think my internet is shit today. Pro00, also, I was wondering if you have any projects that we could work on, as I need some projects for my GitLab portfolio and actual job in the future. Pro00, I will try to think of it, because I just kind of, like, I whipped up this Discord, like, yesterday, and I started to thinking about that. So, like, give me a couple of days, okay? I'll try to get something for you. For your skills and stuff, but it might be actually just like some like, you know, web app or something. I don't know. If you can give me a couple of days, I will try to figure something out for you and for others, you know, if they're interested. 9 people, make sure to subscribe, like, subscribe, comment, whatever. I all love that. And if you experience some buffering, I'm really sorry. I'm just getting that from, you know, my YouTube app is informing me that there is something wrong with it. I don't know. So this is telling me that error, your YouTube is not receiving enough data. So I'm really sorry for that. If this is what you're experiencing, we will try to fix it later. Yeah, and thanks guys for staying so long. I mean, some of you are here for like half an hour at least, or like an hour from the beginning. So, oh, yeah, now it seems to be better. So yeah, great that you are here. Now we just reached the largest number, 9. So it's it's good. Let's just get back to my app. So can I close this? Yes. Thanks a lot. And also I can surely work on web apps too. Cool. So I will try to figure something out. And if you have like ideas, let's just like, also like, yeah, like, if you have some ideas, just throw them out. And I feel like Hey man. Uh, yeah, I was just speaking to Pro. Oh, he has some. He would love to work on some projects, which is great. And yeah, good to see you, Araj. Araj. How do I say your name? With Y or with J? So yeah, we'll try to get something done. Let's just give ourselves a couple of days. And also, if you have some ideas, I have like more and more people just telling me that they want to work. So I'll try to get something, arrange something, and we'll get like meetings, like weeklies and stuff, where we will be planning tasks, maybe some, some like they do in the corporate world, like the Scrum, which I don't always love, but I think that it's kind of functional. It kind of moves things forward. It's organized. So I think there are good things about Scrum. I think there are some things I hate about Scrum, but yeah, we will set up some sort of Scrum, like a maybe poorer version of Scrum to actually manage that. I hope you like the music. It's a Polish folk music. It's obviously like it's like a happy music. People are happy when they're singing it in the group. Look how lovely they are. Like real instruments, real people. Nothing AI. Unless they are AI. You think they are? Do they look AI? How many fingers she has? This guy has like 7 fingers? No, I think it's... How many fingers she has? No, I think it's 5. Okay, so they're not AI, I just confirmed. And so happy and so nice. And this is my favorite song actually, recently. The different one was favorite earlier. Okay, let's just hide this. Do you mind explain what you're building right now? And looks like you are working on React application. I have like more than 1 year of experience on React, lol. Planning to build some projects. That's a Arai. I hope I'm saying it right. Or basically I'm running. I'm doing too many things now. I'm doing like 5 projects, and like I'm just talking about creating another one. So I have multiple projects. So the one that I'm doing today, right now, it's something that I call a digital agency. And I don't like this background, but I will actually fix it in a minute. Maybe I'll make it black actually. Maybe black will be good. And this is actually to sell like development time, mine and maybe yours, and some guys that I know. To offer to people that we can build your SaaS app or wherever, or your website even, for money. So that's one project, and I'm gonna try to get some customers for that. I think I know how to sell it. I'm pretty good at the phone, I think, So I will try that. That's project number 1. Project number 2 is trying to find more projects. So that's why I have Discord. Join there if you want to work with me. The Discord link is somewhere here. And this is how many subscribers I've got. And if you are not subscribed, make sure you do that. Okay, but the next topic is Planero, which is my main project. But this is something I've already built, and I'm just trying to sell it. So I'm just looking for customers there. I mean, what I'm saying that I've already built. There's obviously things I can still build there. So there's, this is React and Python, like Django on the backend plus Postgres, So this is my main thing that I've built over I've built this channel on this app basically, and talking about this app. So it's this kind of
full platform
delivery management platform.
No problem.
So it's like, if you have a delivery business and you do Excel, you have everything in Excel or in emails, you can actually migrate to that, and it should support you very well. So that's this would be project number 1, but let's right now we are counting them, so this is project number 3. Project number 4 is my wife's website, which is already built. I will just improve it a bit. So it's and this is a small thing. No. Let's see if it's here. Szklarnia Sielska. So this is my wife's business, and she's doing like a handcraft, and they do those beautiful things like, you know, oh, no, that's not here. And you can rent this place. This is just basically a place in my garden, and she's selling that kind of stuff as well. And we have this this greenhouse where she's organizing like different events. So this is another project, but I don't really put too much time into it now. You know, this is a side thing, and this is my wife. And you know, so we have this thing in our garden. Another thing, so so that was number 4, yes. So although like the Discord is just like a channel where we will try to get some more projects and think of more projects. Project number what? Oh, number 5, number 6. I think I missed one. I forgot about one. Oh, pattern market. This is a project that I've actually revived after 5 years of it being idle. So I wasn't really, I've built most of it a couple of years ago, like in 2019 and 20. And I've built most of it and never released it. I don't know, some confidence issue, I was busy. I have many excuses that I could probably try to apply to it, but I never released it. And I'm trying to actually release it now. I have actually 3 more people working with me on it. There is a project manager and marketing person who is doing all that stuff, project management and marketing. There is me, obviously, as a developer and sort of trying to do marketing as well. There is 2 more developers who are actually working on some features here. So, and we will try to release it within next 2 months or something. And this is something that you can sell patterns on. And the last thing is this lovely YouTube channel, which I think you just subscribed to, which I hope you did. So this is project number whatever. Numbered the last one. So, yeah, so this is the project number 5, 6, 7, whatever. And I hope I will get something out of it as well. And, you know, yeah, so that's my project list. Many, maybe too many. I don't know. Sometimes I get confused which one should I work today on. Sometimes I'm just like chatting half of the time on the YouTube. Yeah, all of that. And YouTube also, I want to monetize at some point, although I just need lots of watch hours. So the fact that you are here makes me happier, because each of you is a extra minute, hour, and and I need 4,000 of them to monetize this channel. So that's also one thing that I want to do, but I want to actually be inviting people who are working on their projects. So I think like this is really interesting, actually. You know, it's not only about money, I hope I will monetize it at some point, but like it's more about, talking about cool projects. And like I've been out there for 15 years, freaking 15 years. And like, I cannot actually find projects that I would be really proud of and that are actually out there. So I was proud of a couple of things, but they usually out of 15 years, that's probably like 1 year or 2 years of my career at most, that was just like really, really like something that I would be proud of. So like now I'm just trying to make lots of those projects which actually they make me proud, So Planero, which I showed before, I'm kind of proud that it's out there. Unfortunately, I don't have a clients yet, or maybe I do, but I don't know. I didn't check my my database. I usually check on Stripe because it's registering there. So here I'm just trying to find projects. So like it actually makes me proud that I have some apps already out and some websites working for me. Or they're not making money yet, but like I think they will. I think all of this will. Yeah. And I hope you will actually join me, guys, in building those products. So there is a let's see Planero if I have any new customers. No, just my nephew, the latest one. So I'm not really, the problem is I'm not getting signups here. So I have to probably spend some time and money on this thing, on this Planero thing, which is probably something that should take priority soon. Hi, Lin Diung, Linguin. Oh, that's probably more like it. I thought like some sort of Chinese, but it sounds actually more French. Linguin. Have we ever met? Make sure to subscribe, my friend. I think this is why we do that stuff. I don't know, like we actually met earlier, Linguin. Linguin. Yeah. Yeah, hi. Nice to see you. I created this project. Oh, what's your project? So yeah, like here, for the new people who didn't subscribe, make sure to subscribe. We got like 12 people. Make sure to vote somewhere there on the screen. I don't know where's the poll showing, but are you focused or not? Are you working now or not? Like me. I kinda work on the coding. Subscribe, obviously, yes. I think someone just subscribed. Good. Join the Discord if you want to work with me on some projects. Like, I think I'm trying to set some people together. Maybe I will be doing like project management, or I will use my friend who is also project managing some stuff. Subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. Yeah, obviously do that as well. Make sure you just like do everything that will benefit me in some way. So don't worry. Yeah, do that. The notification bell as well, obviously. I've actually don't know if I have one channel where I have notification bell, but I hope that this will be me actually for you guys. The notification bell will be for me. And like today, like I've got just 12 people now. It just keeps on growing like this. I was saying that I should be leaving in like 10 minutes or something, but I kind of want to stay. Like it's just more fun. Like even on the chat, it's becoming even more fun. Okay, there is no real centralized platform for user-generated content. Yes, creators with a proper building system. Think Upwork, but specially for content creators making short-form videos. Yeah. Okay, that sounds like a creative idea. Chibibi. That sounds like a good idea with there's no real centralized platform. And if there is, like, don't worry about stealing their idea as well. So don't you don't have to be original always. I think you can also build stuff that is already out there. Alex, to get notified when you are live. Yeah, just click the bell if you want, like if you feel like it. Send your Discord channel, man. Hit me up. Want to help something? Okay, so the Discord channel is somewhere on the bottom of the screen. I can see it there. Unfortunately, you have to type it. I don't know if it's visible. Is it readable? If it's not, I will actually. And it's somewhere on the chat as well. I will just post it again. I can pin it. Yes, pin the message. Okay, so it's gonna be pinned to the top. The Discord is pinned to the top as well. Yeah. My streaming schedule. Usually I try to do like morning in Eastern, like Central Europe. So I try to do around 10 Central Europe. And sometimes I do bonus one in the evenings, but not always. And the important one, the other one thing is I do also a podcast, which is called Hello World Problems. And I do it every Monday around, I think like last time I did around 1 or 2 p.m. I think I released it, but because I was editing it and it wasn't actually a good idea, I will actually go back to just really like doing live stream for that. So that's, I think like I will try to, like on this one, on the podcast, I will try to stay on Mondays, and maybe it will move back to the morning of my time, Okay, let's. The chat today is quite lively, so let's. I don't know if I can keep up. Discord channel, yeah. So Discord channel is at the top. The market's deliberately there. I violated it through scraping existing platforms and building some rule-based models to analyze demand patterns. Yeah, GBB, you are, yeah, you sound like a real nerd, but like sounds actually like you have a you're advanced there. That's your streaming, yeah. So the streaming schedule, yes, but I never actually got real users to test it, so it's not truly validated in that sense. So like, what could I do on your platform? Can you like share it and like we can, or do you wanna like do live stream where you're gonna show it? The live stream, you know, will get, yeah, probably like, you know, sometimes I get up to like 150 or two. Like this morning there was 250 people. So if we do it in the morning, you might actually hit one of those like moments where it's actually plenty. So if you want to talk about your project, maybe some people will actually like want to do it from my audience. Maybe that's something that will be useful. We can make an online casino site. I don't know. I don't want to go to the prison. Pro gamer, I think that's a market that is quite saturated, and I don't really know how to operate in it. You know, I kind of like freedom as well. And I don't want to move to Malta or to Gibraltar, where all of those companies are. We can do Bitcoin casino, yeah? What's this? Invalid amount. Gumby, I don't know. I actually I'm just learning how to use, how to really use the Discord. It seems like there's lots of features that I don't understand even. Wallet, is there like a wallet here? Can I pay people? Oh, you get like... Yeah, I don't know. There's some wallet. Can I make money for Discord? Like... Gambly bot I made. It uses crypto, auto deposit and stuff. Oh, gambling bot I made. Okay. Gambly. It's a good name though. You know, I like the name. So Gambly Casino. Best LTC casino bot. So what's that? What is this bot doing actually? I sold it for $80, so it was worth it. Got to go sleep, man. Yeah, good. Thanks for coming. If you need to sleep, then yeah, that's probably good for you. Yeah, 1 a.m. I don't think I will stay here till 1 a.m. I think I will stay like bit more. It's like when the numbers will start going down to around 5, I will probably say that it's enough. And maybe I shouldn't say that because people will keep me here. But maybe not. Maybe at some point people will start just dropping out and I can go home. Go to bed. So, okay, there is a blackjack. Server hash. Should I... Like, it looks scary, to be honest, programmer. Waged amount. Your hand. Result. Dealer wins. Server hash. Client seed. Server seed. Oh, okay. So you lost some crypto? Is this like a... Did you lose money? And who did you sell it to? Like, who bought it from you? What's this? I don't know. This is not your game. Okay, I think I got confused with that. Do you get what programmer like he's selling? I'm the owner, so I can... Oh, you can do any amount to myself. Okay. And what, like, when I clicked it, what does it do? Yeah, okay, it's like, when you figure out your mic, I want you to talk about this thing, okay? I want you to explain me how you did it, and, like, what is it doing? Because it's actually, like, it's interesting. Yeah, I don't know, because, like, when I read it, I just make, like, it's just a simple minds game. Sure, you can talk. Yeah, okay, like if you can teach me how to do those things, maybe I will find it useful. I think there's some new people. Subscribe, guys. I think it's somewhere here. Yeah. And yeah, the Discord that I'm showing is where I hope we're gonna get some projects to rolling together. A new one in a bit. Yeah, cool. Buy yourself a mic. Don't go too crazy, you know. Just spend like don't spend too much on this stuff. And don't worry too much about it. Like as long as it's kind of working. Like other day I was like my biggest stream I had was with my camera mic, and it was actually like probably the audio was less good, but people kept on coming, you know. So I think like the mic is useful to have a good one, but nothing to worry too much about. Although some people say that audio is the most important, but yeah, if you have like a decent, like okay mic, then fine. I have a expensive mic that I bought many years ago, like 5 years ago, because I wanted to do podcast long time ago. And then I was kind of pussy not to start it, you know? I never started it. But I mean, not never. Finally, I did that. But it took me a couple of years to do that. Oh, I just went down to 5 viewers. I was saying that if it goes down to 5, I'm going. But like, okay, I will stay 5 more minutes to 1.5 hours of the stream. And then we're gonna go off. And yeah, if you guys want to do like live streams and stuff, just, you know, hit me up on Discord as well. I think like I'm really fascinated by like what you guys are building. And like I'm really not joking, because like sometimes I hear like some things I'm hearing about is just pretty good. The webcam can be the one on the mic on the laptop. That's the pro gamer. You can use the one on the laptop, don't worry. It's gonna be enough. Crypto manager bot 2. Daddy pro gamer. Balance $25. Total received from. It's like you are making real money on it, don't you? Current price. Litecoin price. I don't get that. Okay, so we can talk about it when you get mic. Buy yourself mic. Spend some of this money. I think this would be enough for on Temu for a good mic. How much is mic on the podcasting mic? And like seriously, like some of the stuff, those mics are good. I use them actually for my phone, and they're brilliant. This is a cheap thing, cheap as fuck. And podcasting mic, yeah, this is a full set for 18. That this is $20, and I bet this mic would be pretty good. And this mic looks like probably it's equivalent of what I'm having. I've got one of those sound cards, and yeah, I should set it up as well. So I'm sure like most of those mics would be actually way good. Like they would be very good. Hi there. Okay, Muzimba, good to see you. Thanks for joining. We're gonna try to make a group of people here working on some projects, so we'll see how it goes. I have to figure out what sort of projects we want to build and how, and you know, and the team, but that sounds like a cool idea. It's yeah, okay. Malvern. Are you the girl from where was it? Which is the African country which is very good at football? Cameroon? Yeah, I think she was from Cameroon. Oh yeah, you are the guy from South Africa. Okay, I forgot that. And we were talking also about live stream as well. So we should come back to that idea later. Yeah, I think like maybe the chat, like the live stream went down because like the popularity, because I started focusing too much on the chat, not on the building the app, but that's fine. So I had like a huge drop from 11 people to 5 in one like minute. Or maybe it's just some sort of lag, I don't know. Yeah, good to see you. Yeah, good to see you, Marvin. Unfortunately, as I was saying, I will be probably leaving soon in like a minute. So if you want to ask something or just like throw something in, feel free. Don't worry to, you can drop your thoughts on Discord as well. I don't have it on my phone, so I will probably react to it tomorrow if it's something to me. There are some lovely people out there who can probably will be talking to you as well. So yeah, as I was saying, it's 1 hour and a half since I started the podcast, and I think I should sort of finish it for now. I think we had some good numbers. Not the busiest podcast, but like on the other hand, like most of the people stayed from the beginning to the end. So this is actually interesting. Usually I would have like lots of jumping in and out, and this one was like really good for that, so we got like plenty of people staying longer. Tomorrow I think I will be fine. I don't really have too much in my schedule except the morning meeting, so I'll try to do like a long one, but I can't really. I think I should be sorry, see you, man. Yeah, see you, man. I will buy a mic soon and tell you then. Yeah, cool. Okay, do that, Pro Gamer. Yeah, where are you from, Pro Gamer? Seem like you're very tapped into this. New York City, New York. Okay. Never been to US, but my wife has been to. She worked in Hamptons, near New York City, for a couple of months. She was on work and travel thing. But yeah, I think I will go there one day. I just need to save like $10,000 and stuff. But let's just build some apps and let's just sell them to people, and then we can travel again. Because like right now, I'm finishing one job in 2 days. Although in this job I didn't have to work for a couple of months now, and I've been actually paid for it, which is good. And I'm actually looking for a new job, obviously, although unless I will get some business through this or through that or through other stuff that I'm doing. I just need to like pay mortgage and stuff, and once I'm done with that, I will not be working for corporations. I really hope to switch to actually YouTubing and this agency stuff rather than doing the good old corporate jobs. So yeah, that's, I don't know if it's actually, and now it's growing, like again, my viewers are growing again. That's a funny, so just make sure to subscribe, guys, whoever, like I'm almost on 1,000, which is a nice number. I really love to be out, like the 1,000 will be nice. I don't know if I'm getting any plaques for that, but the 1,000 will be a nice number. So just subscribe here. Join the Discord, which is also, it's lower down. For a cookie. Yeah, for a cookie. Pro Gamer, he's actually, did I say Pro? Yeah. Pro OO, he's sending cookies to people, or at least promising them to send cookies that he's baking himself all over the world. He will send it everywhere, So if you are in South Africa or if you are in India, don't worry, he will ship it to you. And bake it and ship it to you. Hopefully they will still be eatable, hopefully you can they will not be moldy when they get to your country. And yeah, I think like I will be working tomorrow on this page. I want to finish it actually and start promoting it through like Google and YouTube and stuff. And I was planning to do like a video where I would be talking about and then I would try to promote that video, but I keep on getting distracted by the chat, which is great as well. It's not like I'm bitching about that. So yeah, thanks guys for coming. I really enjoyed today, and yeah, see you tomorrow if you are here. I will be probably somewhere in the morning, Polish time, and probably somewhere later as well. So yeah, see you around. Thank you.